Hi, I'm Anya, an artist from Vietnam, creating this channel to share with you guys my work, my experience, and also my lives of art. Today, I'm going to continue sharing part 2 of the Procreative that have you guys to organize and speed up your workflow. Okay, if you didn't watch part 1, I put the link in the description below. Don't forget to check it. Okay, let's get started. Flipping your canvas in Procreate is important to matter. Whether you want to flip your art horizontally or vertically. For me, I'm using a flip horizontally to sketch or paint eyes and eyebrow on the left. There are actually two ways to flip your canvas, but one way takes longer than the other. The fastest way you need to access your quick menu is by clicking the Action tab, choose the Preferences tab, and then click on Gesture Control. Now you can choose what works best for you. For me, I'm using 3-finger sweep. Another way on the Action menu, choose the Canvas tab, and here you have it. Procreate Quick Shape can be used to draw a perfect line, circle, square, and triangles. Quick Shape is activated by a gesture of your choice. You can assign this gesture within the Gesture Controls panel of your Procreate preferences. My favorite gesture is the Draw and Hold. More than that, you can adjust the shape by clicking on Edit Shape and playing with it. When I first started using Procreate, I had a really hard time picking colors. I could choose colors from default color palettes or from the color wheel, but it worked very slow. Then I learned how to create color palettes and everything changed. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. You need to open the color panel. In the color panel submenu, you find the option to show palettes. Press on the plus symbol for the option to create a new color palette. Choose a name for your personalized color palette. Click on the color you want to capture from the image, and click it on the palette in which you want to save it. Don't forget that you can edit the color palette in Procreate by adding or removing specific colors. Unfile lock is a function that allows you to paint inside of an existing shape without going outside of the lines. So this allows for drawing and easy shading within the same layer. The unfile lock function is similar to a clipping marks, but using unfile lock, you do not have to create another layer. There are a lot of neat features in Procreate adjustment panel. I think for the most portrait artists, the needed is the Liquify feature. Quickly and easily add effects to your Procreate art with just a few simple clicks. Do you know with Procreate, you can liquify multiple layers at once? It's so useful to put all of the layers you want to liquify into a single group, so that it's easier to keep track on them. Okay, finally, I want to share some extra tips. So the first one gonna be import color palettes from image. You press on color, and on shift menu you choose palettes. Press on this plus icon, new from photos, and then choose the colors to the image you want. For example, choose this one. So you have all the color from that image. The second tip is switch color quickly. Okay, for example, I have this one as a skin-based color. Okay, I paint here so you can see the difference. And then this one for the shading. So let's see, now I want to switch to the skin base to paint. Just need to press hold like this. See, it's now the skin base. Okay, I'm gonna paint this. Okay, and I want to switch to the shading color. Just need to press the color like this. Okay, switch. Switch again. Done. And I don't like it, so I'm gonna erase. I wanna clear this layer. You see, this is this layer, the color layer. So it's also my third tip for you, is clear layer with 3 fingers. Okay, so you just need to use 3 fingers and then do like this. You see? I'll do it again for you. Okay, the final tip is matching your brush style with smirk and eraser. Okay, this is brush. I choose solid round sketchy. Smirk, I choose flash brush. And eraser, technical pen. Okay, now I'm gonna paint the skin with this brush style. Okay, and this is a shading. Okay, and I want to change this smirk style to the brush style. You just need to press and hold like this. You see, solid round sketchy. Okay, and now I want to erase this one with the same brush style. Just need to press and hold. You see, solid round sketchy. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next week. Bye for now.